Hi, my name is Jan Dentler and I'm a control engineer, and I'm working on developing new industrial applications for drones. Today drones are still mostly used as flying cameras, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to develop control techniques in order to allow them to actually interact with the environment. For example, with a robotic arm that we attach to a drone, and we develop the control engineering technology. So actually we are increasing the autonomy of drones by determining the optimal behavior of a drone in order to fulfill a given task. So drones are moving really fast, so in order to control them you have to have like fast programs, fast algorithms, and this also conflicts with the limited battery and the limited computational power that you have on board on these systems. So what we try to do is we try to find efficient algorithms in order to resolve this problem. So we're using, of course, quadruped drones in order to work with them with hands-on experience, and we mostly use mathematics to make them do what we want. And in order to achieve that goal, we use programming, of course, in order to translate the mathematics that we develop onto the computers. I'm typically using C++. So S&T is giving me the environment in order to follow, to develop, and also to discuss my ideas. For example, in the research seminars or also abroad on international conferences. And with all the facilitators that also try to find the connection with the industry, I think you have a nice environment to really go deep into your ideas and to really search for the future opportunities.